This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Missy Johnson. A wonderful home awaits you in the immaculate Moss Creek Villas community. This PUD boasts a ranch-style floor plan, 2 BRS, 2 BTHS west/1 having a walk-in shower, and a large living room/dining room combo area west/soaring ceilings, and a very open, light and airy feel. The kitchen has updated stainless appliances, granite, and a pantry. All appliances convey, including the washer/dryer. All colors are neutral throughout, west/new paint, laminate flooring in bathroom/kitchen, and newer, freshly cleaned carpet. Light fixtures/fans have been upgraded, as well as storm doors. There is a one-car garage, a long west/attic, and a private patio west/an extra storage closet. There is an updated Trane unit, gas water heater, and roof is from 2011, approximately smoke-free and pet-free, and is waiting for you. Please note that the flat-screen television and cabinet in the living room convey. If other pieces of furniture are in the house, these are negotiable. For more information, review the details below or contact Missy Johnson at 865-584-4000.